Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you block ads on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So for this to work guys, you have go over to settings and you just have to search for connections here. Under connection and sharing, make sure to look for private DNS. If for some reason you have a different settings option and you have a different phone, you can search for private DNS here, or you can simply go over to your connections and it should be there, or connection and sharing. So there you just have to select private DNS provider hostname, and you just have to go ahead and type in dns.adguard.com. So that should essentially filter and block all the ads from occurring on your phone. So you just have to save that. You just have to go ahead and restart your phone, and that should fix the issue guys. So there guys, that is all for today. That is how you can block ads on Android. Thank you for watching and goodbye.